The International Space Station, ISS, has been a symbol of human collaboration and achievement in space since its first modules launched in 1998, orbiting 250 miles above Earth. However, NASA has announced plans to retire the ISS by the end of 2030, marking the end of an era. Instead of a government-run space station, NASA plans to collaborate with private companies to build and operate a new station. Companies like Axiom Space, Voyager Space, and Blue Origin are in the running, each receiving hundreds of millions of dollars from NASA, along with expertise to help bring this vision to life. By shifting ownership and operation to the private sector, NASA will be able to redirect its efforts toward deep space exploration, an endeavor they see as significantly more challenging and worthwhile. The eventual goal is for NASA to select one of these companies to officially partner with and take over the role of the ISS. However, the door remains open for any private company to develop its own space station, gain approval from the federal government, and launch its own deep space missions without relying on NASA. Director of NASA's Commercial Space Division expressed the agency's intent to step back from owning assets in low Earth orbit, which extends up to 1,200 miles above Earth's surface. He emphasized that transitioning the responsibilities to the private sector could be more cost-effective, allowing NASA to focus on groundbreaking research and missions beyond our planet's orbit. McAllister also noted that while the ISS could technically continue operating beyond 2030, the cost efficiency of building a new station with modern technology makes it a smarter option for NASA. This transition would involve NASA purchasing services from these commercial entities, rather than investing in constructing another government-run station. This shift underscores NASA's long-term goal of focusing on the deeper challenges of space exploration, leaving low Earth orbit activities to private enterprise. That's all for today's video. Don't forget to subscribe to Daily Technologies for more videos like this one.